Hello, my name is Katherine Gutiérrez. The pandas live in Asia. A. No, the pandas live in Russia. B. No, the pandas live in Colombia. C. Yes, the pandas live in Chinese. The correct answer is C. Panda bears are mammalian animals originating from Asia, specifically from central Chinese. They live in captivity to avoid their extinction. The Egyptians did not believe in gods. A. Yes, they believed in gods. No, they did believe in gods. They believed in Muhammad. The correct answer is A. The Egyptians were polytheistic in nature. The divinities had an alpha human and alpha animal appearance due to their origin from the natural world. Some gods were Amun-Ra, Horus, Osiris, Ra, Isis, Anubis. How long has the family vote been legalized in the United States? In the years 1915, in the years 1920, in the years 1930. The correct answer is B. In 1920, the 19th Amendment to the Constitution of the United States was approved, which stipulates that the states of the United States of America North federal government can deny citizens the right to vote because of their sex. Coronavirus is the deadly epidemic and it has been killing people globally. This is true. This is false. This is a science fiction movie. The correct answer is A. This epidemic has triggered the alarm of the health authorities on all continents, which cannot contain its rapid advance. Its spread and contagious capacity appears to be more intense than originally warned in Chinese. COVID-19 is 30 times more deadly and almost twice more contagious than the flu. The Nile River is second longest river in the world? No, the River Rhine is the second longest river in the world. No, the River Volga is the second longest river in the world. Yes, the Nile River is the second longest river in the world. The correct answer is C. The Nile is the longest river in Africa and runs north through 10 countries: Burundi, Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, South Sudan, Egypt, and Ethiopia. Thank you.